Okay, the figure shows a balloon decoration. So all the balloons were placed at an equal distance apart from each other. Guys, can you please take note? Equal distance apart from each other. If you have a highlighter, please highlight. So one star-shaped balloon was placed after every two oval-shaped balloon. Okay, so there's two part of the question. The first one is that it's like a what I call is the flagpole. It's the typical flagpole and gap question. Okay, guys, what do I mean by flagpole and gap? Right? It's like this balloon, right? It's like they are being placed equal distance away. So there's this very popular questions. They always put something like a stick or a flagpole or a lamp post, and they are always equal distance away. Okay, so that's what we need, right? Is that I need to find the gap. So what is the distance between the first and the second? Okay, which is this. Change another color. So guys, what is this gap? Okay, first of all, you need to count. They are all together how many balloons? Which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 5 balloons. But how many gaps do you all see? As in this case, there are 5 balloons. But in between these 5 balloons, how many gaps do you have? Let me count for you. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So guys, please take note. Under the flagpole and gap question, right? The number of gaps is always one less than the number of flagpole. So in this case, 5 balloons, it will be 5 - 1 equals to 4 gaps. Is that okay? Okay. Yes, Jermaine, what's the issue? Jermaine, I write down here because I got no space. You can write at the space at the bottom. There are plenty of space here. You don't have to copy the exact space that I write down. Oh, so guys, next, you find out if 4 gaps is going to give you 60, right? So one gap, the distance of one gap will be 60 divided by 4. That will be 15 cm. Can you see it? So guys, how about from the first to the 10th balloon? From the first to the 10th balloon, there are 10 gaps, right? Sorry, there are 10 balloons. So how many gaps are there? There will be 10 - 1 equals to 9 gaps. So guys, I want to find the distance of 9 gaps. Isn't it 9 times 15? Okay, 9 times 15, that's how I get 135. Okay, as the answer should be 135. Sorry, just now I missed out a 1. 135 cm. Okay, for part A. Okay. Okay, then I move on to part B, right? As they are all together, there are a total of 21 balloons on the decoration. So how many star-shaped balloons are there? Guys, now we have to group them up. Okay, can you see that now what I'm going to do, right, is that there is 2 oval shape, O S, over star, over star, over star. So can you see that we can actually group them into I can actually group them into groups. Like for example, you see, over star is one group. Okay, then after that the pattern will repeat. Over star, another group. Over star, over star. So how many balloons are there in one group? They are all together 3 balloons in one group. Okay, so if in total, right, I have 21 balloons. Okay, 21 balloons. So how many groups are there? Then we check lor. So for part B, right, 21 divided by 3. I know that there are 7 groups. Okay, So how many stars are there in one group? There's one star in one group. So if there's 7 groups, that means there'll be 7 times 1, which I get 7 star shaped balloon. Okay, so that's the answer.